Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Rich Star, and I hope everybody is doing well, you are healthy and safe. Today's video is going to be a smoky eyes tutorial, and it's one of my favorite looks to do. It goes well with both ethnic wear and western wear, and it's a classic look and I don't think it will ever go out of style. I'm starting off by moisturizing my face. This is the Biotic Morning Nectar Moisturizer. I've recently started using it and I'm really loving it till now. For my eyebrows, I'm going to be using the Sugar Brow Pencil. This is in the shade Taupe Tom. And I really love this color because it matches my natural hair shade and it doesn't look very artificial on me. Next, I'm using the LA Girl Concealer in the shade Yellow, and I'm just using it on the edges of my eyebrows to make it look neat and clean. I'm also dragging the same product down onto my eyelids so that I have a proper base for my next step, which is going to be the eyeshadow. I'm using a small flat brush to blend away the lines above my eyebrows, and next I'm going to be using the PAC Blender Sponge to blend out the concealer on my eyelids. You will find all the details about the brushes and the tools in the description box down below, so don't forget to check that out. Also, if you love this video, then don't forget to share, like and subscribe, and also leave me a comment down below. I would love to know your thoughts on it. I'm starting off with a kohl pencil. This will ensure that I have a proper base for the eyeshadow to stick to. So I'm just putting it on my eyelids and smudging it out. This part can be messy. You don't have to be very prim and proper at this stage. But when you're smoothing it out, you just make sure that there's a proper half circle going on your eyes. This will just ensure that you have the desired shape of the eyeshadow, and it will help you blend in the eyeshadow better. With the smudging brush, I'm also sort of flicking out a small wing at the end of my eyes. For eyeshadow palette today, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette, and I think this was a limited edition, but you can use any sort of similar shades to recreate this look and it wouldn't be any different. To blend out my eyeshadow and to use on my crease, I'm going to be using two colors. The first one is this mauve skin color, which I'm using on my crease right now. This is to create that first layer. Next, I'm going to be patting in the black eyeshadow on the whole smudged area. Make sure to keep it within that half circle. And the second color that I'm going to be using on my crease is this dark brown color. This is to deepen up the crease line and also to create a dimension. Next, again, I'm going to go back in with that black eyeshadow, but this time I'm going to keep it closer to the lash line and not go too high with it. I'm going back in with the mauve eyeshadow and I'm just blending out the edge of the brown crease line. With the same kohl pencil, I'm just covering up any visible spots or skin showing there. And then I'm going to be tight lining my upper lash line and my lower lash line to give more definition to my eyes. And next, with a makeup wipe, I'm just cleaning up any excess eyeshadow that may have fallen on my face, and also I'm just cleaning up the edges of my eyes to give it a sharp wing effect. Since I used the makeup wipe, I went back again with the moisturizer and just hydrated my face a little bit more. For primer today, I'm using the pore minimizing primer from Oriflame, and it gives a very good blurring effect to the skin, as you can see. For foundation today, I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible Foundation in the shade 120 Vanilla, and to blend it out, I'm using the PAC Blender Sponge. Once you're done with the face, make sure to drag down the product to your neck as well. I'm going to be using a mixture of two concealers today. One is the Flower Beauty Concealer in the shade Light, and the other one is the NYX Concealer in the shade Yellow. I had these two concealers lying around, so I thought I would give it a try, but honestly I don't like the flower concealer that much. It just feels very cakey on my face. But since I bought it, I will have to use this up, so here it goes. Also, the concealer might look a little light on me right now, but by the end of the video you'll see it has oxidized and blended into my skin tone perfectly. For contouring today, I am going to be using the Face Forward Contour Stick from the brand Sugar Cosmetics. They came out with this range, I think, a couple of months back, and although I'm not a very big fan of cream contouring, I just wanted to try the product out. As you can see, I am contouring the usual areas of my face, the hollows of my cheeks, the forehead, the nose and the jawline area. For blush, I have this lip and cheek stain from Benefit Cosmetics. This is in the shade Go Go Tint, and that's what I'm going to be using today. I'm using this loose powder from Miss Claire to set very specific areas of my face, like under my eyes and around my mouth. I want this look to be dewy, so I'm not going to set my entire face. Next, I'm using this mini bronzer from Sugar, and I'm just running it on the places where I've already used the cream contour. This will ensure that the product doesn't budge from the face and it stays for a long time. So it's time to smoke out the lower lash line area. So I took this black eyeshadow on a flat angled brush, and I am drawing a line very close to my lash line. Next, I'm going to go in with the brown and the mauve shade that I used on my crease, and with this smudger brush from PAC, I'm just going to be smoking out that black eyeshadow I already placed. For mascara today, I am using the L'Oreal Paradise mascara. This gives a lot of volume to the lashes, and since I'm not wearing any falsies today, I'm going to need this. Next, with a small flat brush and concealer, I'm just cleaning out the edges of the lower lash line. I went back in with a different kajal. This is the Key Beauty one, and just darkened the lower lash line. For highlighting, I'm using the Glow Genius palette from Sugar, and I'm using the champagne shade in the middle. I'm highlighting my brow bone, and next I'll be highlighting the inner corner of my eyes. I love doing this because I think it makes the eyes look brighter and just pop out somehow. Next, I'm going to be highlighting the usual places on my face, that is the high points like the cheekbones, the nose, the forehead, the cupid bows, and also the chin. For lipstick today, I'm using Meher from MAC. It's always advisable to use a nude lips with black smoky eyes or any kind of dark eyes, so that the attention is only drawn to the eyes and it doesn't go anywhere else. And as the last step, I'm using the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Spray, and here is my final look. If you enjoyed watching this video, then don't forget to share, like and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to follow me on my social media handles, then I'll leave my details down below in the description box. I'll be back with a new video soon. Till then, stay happy, stay safe and take care of yourself. Bye.